How many movements? 4 means?
5.
Very good. Right position. Snap each move out really strong. Ready? First move, 1. Let's try that again. Come back up, right position. Keep your hand. Move that way. Try it again. Take a deep breath in. Hold gate 3. First move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was ball gate 1 in the roundabout, right? No. Yeah, there's 1. Another one. There you go. Ready? Next move, go. 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 Watch out. A little bit late. Ready? Next move, go. There you go. Ready? Next move, go. Think about it. Go. Next move, go. Next move, go. And next move, go. Right position. Ball gate 3 again. Okay, Mr. Neff, on your own. Okay, when I say go, you do your form. Ready? Go. Your time. You got somewhere to go today? Okay. Hot day, don't you? Where's she at? She out there showing off for her or something? Go talk to your parents about that. All right. And Bob. Stay right there. Okay.